Hello and welcome to the demonstration video for the Human-centric issue visualizer, a Jira plugin designed to provide software practitioners with a view of their projects from a human-centric perspective. It is designed to be as unobtrusive as possible to existing Jira projects, avoiding the addition of new fields on issue data or modifying existing views. The plugin's features are self-contained, allowing the app to be installed or uninstalled on Jira projects with ease. The human-centric issue visualizer utilizes an existing machine learning approach to classify a project's issues into human-centric issue categories. It provides a dashboard, giving users an overview of the issues in their project from a human-centric perspective, and an issue panel, allowing for a more fine-grained analysis of individual issues. Let's get right on to a demonstration. On a Jira project with the plugin installed, let's take a look at the dashboard. As mentioned, the dashboard provides users with an overview of their issues in the Jira project from a human-centric perspective. The dashboard shows a number of key metrics providing the answers to various questions that users might have relating to a project's human-centric issues. These metrics are percentage of issues which are human-centric, answering questions like how focused is the project on human-centric versus technical issues, or is the project aligned with a human-centered design approach? Also shown is the users assigned the most human-centric issues to answer which team members are or are not responsible for addressing human-centric issues. Users who report the most human-centric issues are also displayed to answer which team members are considering human-centric issues. Most frequent prioritization for human-centric issues is shown too, giving insight on whether there is an appropriate level of focus and attention being given to human-centric issues. And finally, the most frequent status for human-centric issues is shown too, to tell us, are human-centric issues actually getting resolved? All of these statistics are grouped by human-centric issue category for finer granularity, allowing for deeper insights to be made, as we can see by expanding any one of these key stats. The dashboard also provides a paginated list of all of the issues in the project, with the human-centric issue classifications besides each of the issues. Also provided is a hyperlink to view the issue detail for each one of these issues. The dashboard includes data visualizations for the distribution of issues within the Jira project by their human-centric issue categories. It permits the use of a pie chart or a bar chart accommodating the user's preference, with tooltips for exact numbers. Separate visualizations for overall, summary, and description are included. This is because the ML classifier tool applies a classification to each issue's summary and description separately. Maintaining this level of granularity on the front end allows for deeper insights on the dashboard. Overall refers to the combination of human-centric issue categorizations between an issue's summary and its description. For example, an issue's description may not be human-centric, while its summary relates to inclusiveness. So overall, this would be an inclusiveness issue. Further visualizations are provided showing the distribution of human-centric issues stratified by their priority and their status. The app dynamically determines the priorities and statuses in use for the given Jira project to accommodate for the use of custom status and priorities. For example, if a project has an additional status for testing, this will be accommodated. Once again, multiple visualization modes are permitted. A stacked bar chart allows for the direct comparison of the total number of issues by status or priority, with the human-centric issue category still coded through color. Alternatively, a grouped bar chart can be used for more explicit comparison of the number of issues per human-centric issue category for each status and priority. The dashboard provides a number of filters. A checkbox to toggle whether the non-human-centric issues are shown or hidden, some date selectors to filter the issues by their creation date, and some multi-select filters to filter the issues by their statuses and priorities. All of these selections will be reflected in the dashboard's key statistics, issue list, and all of the data visualizations too. The last feature to highlight is the issue panel, which is embedded in an issue's detail view. It shows the human-centric issue categorization for an issue's summary, its description, and for each one of its comments. This permits fine-grained analysis and consideration of each issue from a human-centric perspective. That brings me to the end of the demonstration video. Thank you for watching, and we are keen to hear your thoughts and feedback on the human-centric issue visualizer.